Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
My name is Mthethwa and I'm the founder of EverGreen Aging. At EverGreen Aging, we make artfully designed centerpieces that are good for the home or office. So what we do is we provide environmentally friendly terrariums that people can send as gifts and also keep in their spaces to give an aesthetic vibe and decorate very nicely. So if people want to get hold of me or / our business, you can go to our social media pages, which is at evergreen_aging. We're available on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. We're mostly active on all social media platforms. And we also have a website too. Contact numbers are 076 904 3644. Today I was pitching at Township Economy / Jonas for Tea at Kanyamazane, and I was the overall winner. So being a winner today, it really means a lot of things. It just reminds me that you have to stay consistent and resilient and should never stop going after your dreams. I've tried so many times to pitch, but today was a day we were able to pitch, and it really feels good because it actually validates the work that we do and want to continue making positive impact and inspire other people to actually go after what they want. My name is Mthethwa, and I'm a township entrepreneur.